Hello, this is Jaime Ayala with Aeroface Power Technologies in Omaha, Nebraska. This short video tutorial will show you how to establish a connection with a Tesla 4000 digital fault recorder using an Ethernet connection. For the purposes of this video, we'll assume that you're using port 401, the one in the front of the Tesla. The video assumes that you have downloaded and installed a copy of the Tesla control panel software from our website. If you have not done so, open up your web browser and go to aeroface.com. Once there, you'll click on the support tab and select the software option. Select download and install the Tesla control panel software in your laptop or PC. The next thing you need to do is make sure that your laptop or PC Ethernet IP address is compatible with the Tesla's Ethernet IP address. The default addresses of the Tesla are 192.168.100.80 for port 401 and 192.168.101.80 for port 402. This information can be found in the user's manual, which can be opened from within the Tesla control panel software help tab or downloaded from our website under support documents. In order to check your laptop IP address, you need to open your network connections and under the Ethernet selection, open up Network and Sharing Center. Click on the Ethernet option and open up the Properties tab. Double click on the Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4, then manually enter an IP address with the address 192.168.100.XX. Any node number other than 80, since that's the Tesla's default node number. You can now close your network configuration screen, and you should be able to use the Tesla control panel software to connect to the Tesla unit via Ethernet. Assuming that you have successfully completed the previous tasks, which were basically the installation of Tesla control panel on your computer and the configuration of your network settings so that you can match the IP address that is the default for the Teslas out of the factory, we can now proceed to open up Tesla control panel, which you can do by double clicking on the icon. And now we'll assume that we're adding a new device since we're assuming that you haven't connected to it. So we'll add new, and then all you need to do is select the network link. Type the default IP address for the Tesla, which is 192.168.100, and the node number is 80. Then you can basically just hit get information from Tesla, and assuming that you have the cable connection to the device established, then you should be able to connect to it. You will notice it's asking for login credentials. And at this point, we'll use the default login, which is service, and the password is service. And you should be able to. You can see that you made the connection because it pulled in some information from the device, like the device name, the serial number, etc., etc. At this point, you will save the ID definition file, and then that would add that definition file for that ID on your Tesla control panel device list. I'm not going to do that because this device is already defined here, so I'm going to cancel out of here. And you will go in here and hit connect, and then you should be able to connect by typing the default credentials, service and service, and just hit cancel out of here. This is just basically telling you that some of the password complexity rules have not been met. So anyway, you can see that you're connected down here, and the only option you got is to disconnect. If you go, you can see that we're looking at real-time quantities on the device. So we've successfully established connection. Anyway, at this point, I would like to just disconnect from here and take you over to where you can see where the default passwords are. And I already have the user manual, the Tesla user manual open on section 811, which addresses the cybersecurity settings. And within this section in the manual, if you go to table 8.12, you can see that here they tell you what all the passwords and user accounts are by default in the Tesla. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed the presentation, and that'll be useful. The following slide shows you our contact information in Winnipeg, as well as some of the technical support individuals that might be throughout North and Latin America. Thank you for watching.